So the live project was all about this, like how whatever you have learned all these months, you have to make a proper flow and then come up with a business recommendation.
Yeah, we did project with Pepsi we had kind of a group of 4 members. So we were given social media assessment to perform analytics on one of their particular brand.
Our project was related to Icon Personics. So they had this business problem where the matching of the songs need to be done, in terms of similarity.
The project that we were allotted was eBay. The problem statement that eBay had is it has tons of data which is related to US exports. We had to identify a pattern and create a model which predicted the sales. Specifically, this is a big challenge for them because shipping is one of their major costs.
It's exciting to apply what you learn on a real-life problem, on a real-life business problem.
We got almost 40 GB of data across 4 years. 80% of our time was spent in data exploration. Once we got the hang of it, we started creating various time series models, which we had never learned before, with a tool which we had never worked before. But that at least gave us a good hand of how to quickly get into the technology, how to quickly understand.
We had to search a lot, go through a lot of materials, search about the company, read about the company.
We got a lot of data, a lot of variables. So that's where we had to connect all the dots.
Before doing this Capstone project, I did some projects, taking the data from Kaggle, and we are doing that's a different scenario. But here the problem is your company itself is giving you data and they are asking to find the solution for this.
And also it was an eye-opener that how much we don't know. Rather than how much we know, it also tell us how much we have yet to learn.
I can confidently tell the Capstone project was one of the key differentiator in the course.
Big insight was at least the whole journey of understanding the business to creating a solution and to even getting a feedback on it was a pretty good experience.